What's going on, everybody? And we're back. So I have a lot of cool stuff coming up. I've been working on a lot of stuff in the background, haven't been able to post. I hope you guys have been enjoying the video so far. And you know, up to this point, thank you very much for all the likes and comments and all the feedback I've been getting for the videos. So I just want to continue trying to do that. So, which leads me to the next thing. Tonight we got a lot of fun stuff coming up. Once again, Chevelle's out of the garage, as you can see. Reason is, once again, it's time to focus on the Corvette. As you can see, I've already taken off a lot of stuff. Last time, or the other night, I actually took off all of the exhaust, the tunnel cover, took off some of the wiring, things like that. So the idea is we have to get everything out for the clutch. And that's a big job. My goal was to try and get some guys to come by and help me, and have a few of them coming by. Hopefully we can get just a lot of the small stuff knocked out tonight. But as you can see, all of this cradle, the differential transmission need to come out, and once I get everything loosened back here, which is the upper and lower, or upper control arms and the coilovers, we should be able to drop this bad boy and the tunnel, or the torque tube. So I'm already off to a good start. I got some of the guys coming, and like I said, we're gonna have some cool stuff with this one, because this one we're actually gonna be racing. That one, car shows, cruising. This one, racing, going fast. So we'll see. I might even try and give it another autocross try. I think I figured out how to finally adjust it, and I got me some better tires. But for sure, we'll be doing some drag racing. As you've seen with some of the pictures, we already have the radials mounted. We're ready to go, and right before the car broke, we were actually starting to get it figured out. So I think I figured out the suspension. We can do some more testing, and hopefully the clutch isn't in too bad shape, regardless of maybe replacing almost everything that's in there. So it's a lot of work to get to that point. Might as well just do it right, you know. So we'll be doing that. I also have another surprise, potentially some other stuff going on in here. Nothing big, so don't get too excited just yet, but I might have potentially some different heads for it. I've been going back and forth about doing it or not, and knowing where I'm going to go with the car, but I got a really good deal on some LS3 heads. Those will be going on, and I'm looking forward to seeing the results on the dyno. I mean, worst case, I could sell them. I can even get, I don't know, some cash, enough to get me a fast 102 for the car. There's a whole lot of stuff going on. We'll see what happens. But for right now, we just need to get some of the stuff back in the car. For instance, the seat needs to go back in there, and I just need to finish taking off everything. Once we do, we'll be in good shape. The car will be back up, and we'll be back out doing some racing soon. So stay tuned. Hope you enjoy the video.